Hi, one of the commonest questions I'm asked by business owners is, Dinesh, should I post on Facebook or do I need to advertise on Facebook because I'm not getting any joy with my social media marketing, and how do I get results? So let me tell you. Based on the latest research by We Are Social and Hootsuite as of 2022, if you just do organic posts on Facebook, your organic reach is minuscule. This is because Facebook in the last few years have changed their algorithm so that they want business owners like us to advertise. So this is their business model. They need to get revenue and they're not going to give us reach organically for free of charge. So unless you have a huge audience and you're already getting engagement, and you're one of the bigger brands, you probably will not get results. So we got to advertise. So when you're advertising, what you need to do is you must get everything right. Otherwise, you will spend a ton of money. You lose your dough. So make sure you get the right advice, get the ad setup done, your ad copy done perfectly, you get the ad design well. It has to be absolutely professional, but also make sure you understand that audience. Who is your audience? What is the best way of reaching it so that we nail every aspect of that? Thank you.